Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to Peshawar Model Degree College online lecture room. This is Miss Fazilat. Today we are going for another chapter of second year English Advanced course. This is actually the short story with the name of The Lottery Ticket and written by Anton Chekhov. First of all, we are going towards the character sketch of the lottery ticket. These are two main characters. One is Ivan Dmitrik, who is a husband, belongs to middle class, and Masha Dmitrik, who is also wife of Ivan Dmitrik, and she also belongs to middle class. If we come to the character analysis, so these both are stereotype of middle class characters. It's a married couple, really helps develop the story well, because it is such a typical type that we see relatively every day. For example, our parents, depending on the person. When we read about Ivan Dmitrik, a middle class man, we can instantly picture a man about his 30s, sitting in a chair, reading a newspaper after work, or some may picture a couple very similar to their parents. But overall, a very good developing stereotype. Now, coming towards the individual characters, so Ivan is actually a protagonist, a hero. So the point of view really dictates how we categorize characters in a story. So since this story is written in Ivan's perspective, that will typically mean that he is the protagonist. Ivan also goes through a transformational arc throughout this whole story, and that is the main focus. So this leads us to believe that he is the protagonist. Coming towards his wife, that is Masha, who is antagonist. How we can say she's antagonist? Although Masha also goes through a transformational arc during this short story, the efficiency of this story is not centered around this change. It is the match that starts Ivan's arc, but not the most important fact in this story. So this makes us believe she is the antagonist. Along with the fact that the change she sparks, she does so with a lie. This is being considered bad, so she is the antagonist. We can say that because of that lie, she is an antagonist. Coming towards the plot, we see that Ivan Dmitrik is skeptical of his wife spending money on lottery tickets and believes she is wasting money on them. However, he believes that they have won the lottery, so he agrees to read the winning number. Dmitrik reads the series, which was correct, but not the numbers, not the number which was incorrect. So after Ivan read her the series, she became ecstatic and couldn't believe that she just won the lottery. Ivan tells her not to worry about the number, which is incorrect. Ivan and his wife begin to daydream and fantasize about their future life. It was interesting that Ivan saw himself as being more important than he was. As master of an estate, he imagined himself to have great power, though it was noticeable that the power he believed he will have was not something beneficial. At the end, they come to know that they didn't win actually the lottery ticket, and after that, Ivan starts complaining his wife, and the fact that Ivan complains about the condition of his home at the end of the story may also be important, as he is placing an onus on his wife to clean the house. He is exerting actually control over his wife. So this was all about the story. Hope students this video lecture will help you to understand this short story.